Morning. So I'm Liz Ward. I'm head of the Met Strategic Insight Unit. So we're a group of data analysts, behavioural scientists, social researchers, and operational officers as well. So our aim is to bring evidence-based policing into the Met, and we deliver a programme of work which is a range of different projects aiming to do that. So we're here at the SEBP. We're here pretty much every year talking about the work we do. And this year we're talking about some particularly exciting work that we're doing in behavioural science, trying to build a whole new work area. And I'd say we've got some job adverts that close today. So if you're interested in joining us, then please do have a look. And it's Eleanor Prince is the head of our behavioural science team. So do look her up if you need to find details. And we also have Kent McFadzean from the team, who's a senior analyst, talking about some work we're doing in the body-worn video footage reviews in relation to stop and search. So again, a really exciting piece of work called Up Coniston that hopefully some of you have seen and are interested in finding out more. So yeah, that's a bit of an introduction to myself and the team, and yeah, very much here just to learn about some of the other really exciting work that's going on in this growing area, and also kind of get the word out about some of the work that we're doing at the Met, and yeah, network. So very exciting to be here.
Excellent. So you did a talk yesterday to give us a summary of what that was about.
That was me doing my usual intro and just trying to build awareness. And then, yeah, so Kent talked through a new piece of work that we've just finished, which is called Up Coniston, very much about trying to systematize kind of how do we review and give feedback to officers about the quality of stop and search and how do we build systems. And so that was a randomized control trial testing a new approach, looking at the impact of that new initiative, and then going from that, we're now looking at how we can build that into kind of business as usual. So that was the first part, and then the second part was Eleanor Prince, who's basically outlining how the team, the behavioural science part of the team, has been growing and introducing itself to the Met, really thinking about how we can build on not just the ad hoc tactical approaches and the application of behavioural science, which are really useful, really impactful, looking at content in letters, looking at how we interact and make things more user friendly, but then how we've also developed into the more strategic and transformative areas, looking at how you build whole programs with more of a user focus and use behavioural science and the application of behavioural science to make sure that those are not just user friendly, but also actually geared towards actually delivering in the way that the initial goals of the program. So I think Elle started with kind of a bold claim that everything we do in policing is behaviour, and I think it's absolutely key to so much of what we've been doing in the team, where we're trying to break through into new areas with some of the evidence-based policing, and you will come up against so many issues around behaviour, whether it's compliance of an experimental design and just making sure that methodologically things go the way you want them to, or it's in the actual kind of officer behaviour. So I think some of those behavioural science techniques are really crucial in this space. And so she talked for the rest of the about that kind of section around how she's building that, what it looks like at the moment, some examples of what we're doing, and then looking forward into the future where we're aspiring to go. So it's really an area of growth. I think it's a very valuable area that's become recognised increasingly in the Met. And we're keen to make sure it continues to grow. So another quick nudge to apply for those who are interested.
So what kind of jobs have you got, and what kind of people are you looking for?
So for that particular space, we're looking for behavioural science experts who've got that kind of applied background, who can come in and join Elle's team. Also very much kind of a combination of the psychology or the behavioural science background, and there are lots of different courses now in that space, but it's the applied side that's crucial, so that we've got people who can come in and actually know how to apply that in the kind of complex landscape that is the Met. The other job I think we've got out at the moment is an analyst role, which is far more on the quantitative analysis side. So that's more Kent's world, but it's core to the team to have that ability to do deep dive analysis in the really big data sets that we have in the Met. So it would be, anyone who's interested in doing that, then also please do get in touch. And in general, if you've got an interest in the work we're doing in the team, I say reach out to myself or others in the SIU. Very keen to connect, very keen to certainly get more word out about the work that we're doing. It's growing, exciting area.
Fantastic. Thank you very much for your time today.
Thank you.